Welcome to Ngobothente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobothente Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Siwelele 0. My brother, how's it?
Kunjani ba mpholoba?
Shamujani buthi.
Hayi ngahle manje. Hayi disappointed into engibone namhlanje uKaizer Chiefs mana. Yalana bangasho bathi mele kubhadalwe inyanga, mele kubhadalwe ini. But the only thing as the Chiefs ishoda ngani mfethu.
Yeah.
Yabona from look at the place wasayinile. Yena ubheke i-medical test yawo.
Yeah.
Chiefs kudala bese basana ama player bakhona i-medical test. Then sign ama player bese Africa asilimele abadlalayo. Then yini into le ikhumayo. Look at today, the game of today ne. Before senza ama final sub. Ufroza uya ku management yabatshela ngilimele. They supposed to take him out. But they take two sub. Then ba add ngosori.
Sirino, yeah.
Then uyadlala manje sika struggle. Abasena sub emele bayifake.
Exactly, yeah.
Umayo uyalimala. And look at this thing. Yabona sakhe sifakile ne struggle so game. Lo muntu lona unesikhathi
Ikatoria.
Udlalile ne. Unesikhathi alimele.
Yeah.
Wamqasana game.
Exactly.
You're supposed to put Mayo. Lo muntu usalimele. Mfake only 15 minutes check. Then as check ama player wethu wonke abovele bhayi. Look at today abomabo bakhona. Why bangaba use?
Exactly, yeah.
Ejo management sign ama player ngaka for ini singawa use. Then again ayikho into ezolunga ku Chiefs as long yabona ile ibench yakho ne. As long you don't have one legend. Kaizer Chiefs ay allow kuma assistant coach wabo. They must have only or start Dr. Khumalo or Khuse. Because look at Sibeko, Sibeko is a legend. But does not have 200 games for Chiefs. It depends on management. We couldn't structure around.
Exactly, yeah.
They must put the guys not about Don Shepard. They are not a legend of Kaizer Chiefs. Because we got Chiefs, Mameli Sape, they're confused, they don't understand the language, we have players, they don't do that. Put one thing, South African. Scala they want to beat Chiefs man. So 7 to beat. And I want to know no Nabi.
Yeah.
Mama me say but nyakhala mina.
He was
That guy was paid trophy after 10 years now too.
Exactly.
But because i-idea yakhe as a coach, they don't listen to him. Into ayifunayo abe understand. Upitso wangezwa ku Chiefs angalunga lapha ya.
Yeah.
Upitso umanyela yena akamameli management. The management of Chiefs ifuna ukuthi if a coach then impha ama instruction. If about as one man instruction. But manje look at those guys, two guys. If they were faithful those guys, they supposed to go in the coach ayabo.
Exactly.
Because coach ayabo believe me before bamamsign uthe ufuna abantu bakhe bala wahlala phansi wenza nawo but bona they don't faithful for yena.
Yeah.
Chiefs besikhethe management methola ama player right. One of a legend lapha structure assistant coach abe khona. Uzolunga mfethu.
Siyabonga baba.